Hi there, today I'm going to show you my last Procreate brush set. And it's a set with 100 different stamps made from real ink, watercolor, paint brushes, and different tools to get a wide variety of shapes, some patterns, textures, and even ink splashes for your designs. They are pretty simple to use, so playful and versatile, as you can use them with the pictures as background for letterings, to embellish designs, and anything you can imagine. This is specifically for Procreate. However, I have included the PNG files as well, so you can have them on your computer to use them with the Photoshop or Illustrator on another design project as well. So here I'm going to play a little bit with them, and you will see how easy it is to use them. And as you can see here, this is the whole set with 100 brush stamps, and I have included different shapes for designs, like different heart shapes, some circles, squares, a diamond shape, and a lot of paintbrush strokes. Some of them are with circle movements, some of them are like dry brush painting, other ones look like watercolor, and you can see that there's a lot of options to choose from. I have included some ink splashes as well, and like these ones. There are some funky and lovely patterns based on brush strokes, drops, circles, waves, triangles patterns, kind of confetti, and more. There are several textures for you to use them as backgrounds and more ink splashes. So for you to use one of the brushes, you just have to select it down here. I will check the color I'm going to use, and black is okay. This brush is a stamp, and we use it as a regular brush that you drag your pen on the canvas. It works just by doing a tap with your finger like this, or with your pen. Okay, so now I'm going to show you quickly some of the stamps included with the set. This set has been one of my favorites to create, and I can't stop playing with it every time I use Procreate, so I have no doubt you will love it as well. Please find the link below to grab yours. If you like our video and products, feel free to leave a comment below, give a thumbs up to our video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!